If you're planning to visit Singapore Zoo with kids, then make sure to save this video. Hello, it's Mommy Chrissy, and here are my top tips when visiting Singapore Zoo with kids. I highly recommend for you to visit Singapore Zoo early in the morning before it gets too crowded and too hot. Singapore Zoo opens from 8:30 a.m. till 6 p.m. Don't forget to book your tickets in advance, and you can book through Agoda Activities. So don't forget to use our promo code CrazyAgoda for additional discount. And take note that kids under 3 years old can enter free. Make sure to get your toddler some binoculars because it will help them see the distant animals better. Ayan nga, atuwan-tuwa ang Karunungan Brothers, tignan yung mga unggoy sa puno. You can also book feeding session through Manday website, and ayan nga, nag-zebra feeding and giraffe feeding kami. Take note that the feeding session is limited and it will cost you $8 per person. Make sure to check your toddler's height because they only allow at least 1.1 to 1.2 meters for feeding sessions. Don't forget to bring your kids' water bottle because there are available free refilling water station around the park. You can also bring light snacks for your kids, just make sure to watch out for the macaques. Ayan nga, at ilang beses na kaming hinabol nitong mga macaques around Singapore Zoo. So if you want to watch our full Singapore Zoo video with my kids, make sure to follow us on our YouTube account, Mommy Chrissy, and don't forget to save this and follow us for more. Thank you for watching. Bye!